Dynamic instances enable team members to edit certain sections of their microapps from the viewer. To create an instance, you're going to follow the steps in this tutorial to create a dynamic framework in the builder. If you want to edit an instance from the viewer, be sure to check out the video Adding Instances from the Viewer for more instructions there. In the builder, hit the Settings button at the top and navigate to the Instances tab. Choose to enable dynamic instances and then choose Configure Data. Now you'll see 4 columns. In each row, you'll designate information for each of these columns to create a new dynamic field. Source determines how the data will be populated. We're going to choose user entry so we can type it in manually, but if you want to automate the process, you can use this field to choose information to pull from Tiled about your sender or recipient. If you choose one of these options, the microapp will automatically update based on whoever is using the microapp. Field name provides a label for the dynamic field you are creating. Choose something that will explain what information should go in this field, because this is how anyone creating a new instance will identify the fields they should edit. It can be helpful to indicate whether this is an image, video, text, or URL tile, because this information will not be displayed in the viewer. Data type refers to the type of media tile you'll be using in your microapp. We're choosing text, but you can also add dynamic photos, videos, and URLs. Finally, you'll add the content you want to appear in the master instance of your microapp in the default value field. This content will automatically populate when you place your fields in your microapp, and it will appear in any other instances where the user hasn't provided new content for this specific field. To add any images or photos, make sure they are hosted somewhere online and copy and paste that URL in the field. If you've added the assets you want to use in dynamic fields to your microapp, you can right-click that item in the asset sidebar and choose Copy URL to Clipboard to add it to your instance. Once you've created all the fields you want for your microapp, exit the menu and close the Settings overlay. Create your framework by choosing the tile you want, place it on your page, and choose the name of the dynamic field you want to use. Now your designated content should automatically populate. Once you've finished creating your microapp, publish to see your master instance. Now you can head back to the Instances panel in Settings and create more instances by selecting the View Instances button and adding new values to each field. Repeat this process and add more instances as needed. Be sure to visit support.tiled.co if you have any more questions.